All right, guys, I got the appraisal. What do you think it's gonna be? How much? The Hellcat with no hood. Alright guys, so today is something I've been wanting to do for a long time with multiple vehicles, but today we're doing it with the Hellcat. I'm with David here. You haven't seen him in a while. We are going to Carmax to see how much they're gonna give me for this Hellcat. So I don't know what they're gonna give me. I really don't have any idea what's gonna happen, but I know that, I don't know, we're gonna see. I think they're gonna give me like a horrible offer.
You never know. We're going without the hood.
Yeah. So I told you guys I'm getting a new hood. I ordered it the other day, and then I sold this hood. So now we're riding around with no hood, which is something I've never seen. So definitely, I don't think Carmax is gonna think too highly of that.
You never know, they might like it.
They might give me extra for that. They're like, damn, this thing's custom. But yeah, we're heading over there, and it's about a 20-minute ride, and we're gonna go see what's up. I'm sure we're definitely gonna get their reaction, because not only do we have no hood, but this car is, I don't know, there's a lot going on with this car. I don't even know what's gonna happen, but I guess we'll see. And the instructor has to drive it. They have to test drive it, so.
Hopefully it don't spin out.
Hopefully they do, then they'll have to write me a fat check. That'd be sick.
Rebuild
part 3. Traction control kicked on. It's so loud without the hood.
I like it.
Oh my god. It screams.
I like how it whines.
It's a different experience without the hood on. It's so freaking loud.
Yeah,
all you hear is the intake. So before we get there, I figured I'd get some gas, fill her up for the new owner, which might be. What are they gonna say? They're gonna be like, you know this doesn't have a hood, right? I'm like, yeah, gives it character.
Yeah, it does.
I'll throw that in if your offer's good enough.
Go bowling, you spend $200.
So we are fueled up, ready to head out. So what's your guess? What do you think they're gonna give us?
I don't know, it depends on if we get a guy or girl to appraise it.
Do you think it makes a difference?
I think it makes a huge difference.
We'll tell the guy to juice it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey, this thing's mint condition. If they give me a crazy offer, we might be Ubering home.
Yeah,
you never know though.
You would actually get rid of her, huh?
But I mean, they're not gonna give me a crazy offer. They gotta make money. Yeah. There's no way I'd get like something crazy.
No,
Take the guy watches the channel. He's like, I got you.
Yeah.
I want.
I got you.
He tells the boss, this is the hellkeazy. This is worth. We're actually almost here. We're right up the street. And I don't know, I've never done this. I always see videos of people bringing their cars to Carmax and like getting appraisals, and I don't know, I've never seen anyone actually sell their car to Carmax, but I've seen a lot of people go there and get appraisals, and I guess I've been wanting to do this for a while. Maybe not be the best time to get a good offer saying I got no hood, but we don't got much going on today, so might as well swing by.
But you also never know, because of the corona, people probably haven't been selling too much.
Yeah.
So you know.
They might need a Hellcat right now with no hood. The gas station stop part 2.
Yeah, no. Check that guy out.
Like that guy's vibing right now.
For sure.
Should we say what's up? What's up, dude?
What's up, brother?
You need a drink?
You too.
You want a drink?
You need something to drink? You got something.
What do you want?
Right? What do you want us to do?
Oh. Oh shit. What's going on, bro?
What's up, man? What's up?
You look like you're living. You're having a good time.
Yeah, shit, yeah. What year is this?
It's a 16. Oh God, what is happening right now?
Even the devil said you gotta like that one. Huh?
Hey, you want a drink, buddy?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Mike's? Oh, see, we cannot. He wants a Mike. Apple. You want an apple, Mike's? Wicked apple. Yep, whatever.
All right.
Yep, all right.
All right, hang out here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Guy was doing kicks and stuff.
You seen that? He didn't
Pick him up. Imagine we pick that guy up.
Dude, he would mess the interior up.
If he wasn't all nasty, I would say, let's throw him in.
Give him a ride, for sure.
He's gonna sit on your lap.
Even the devil has to like this.
He said, is that what he said?
Even the devil has to like this.
He said, even the devil has to like this. That's a line right there. Where's the mic at?
He wanted a twisted apple, he said.
Thanks, David. What a guy.
Don't mention it.
Can you drink this too? Is this hand sanitizer or can you drink this? Probably could drink it. It's like a little flask. What's up, buddy?
Thanks.
We got you a drink.
Oh man, what's What's up, dude? We received it only one way. Only we allowed to tell, eh?
Buddy, you have a good one. My man, I wish you the best, and you know, we can only do our best.
You can only do so much.
You think that's messed up to give a homeless guy beer?
No, not at all, because if I was homeless, the only thing I would want is a beer.
We asked him what he wanted.
And that's what he wanted. Give the man what he wants.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to Carmax, finally, and we're about to find out what they're gonna give us for this bad girl right here.
Nate, what do you think they're gonna give you for it?
No, I think they're gonna offer me like 25, saying that it has no hood and the situation with it, that's my guess. Oh man, I wanted to get my car appraised.
Sure, yep.
I'm not sure how that process works. I was hoping you guys could help me out with it.
Yeah.
All right, so they made me turn the camera off, as you guys saw. I don't know why. I guess you're not allowed to film. Anyway, they took some information. They didn't even take the VIN. Literally, they asked me to make sure the hood's open. I told them that's not gonna be a problem. So we're good there. And I guess we're just gonna start it up for them because of all this coronavirus stuff. They're not allowed to drive it. So we're missing out on that. But maybe we can, I don't know. Hopefully, I wanted them to drive it. Yeah. I thought that'd be interesting. Anyway, they're supposed to come out within 5 minutes, and they're gonna check it out, look it over, and I guess give me an offer. What's up, dude?
Judah?
Yeah, I'm Judah.
Recording this right now?
I am.
Alright, yeah. Need it to be checked. You can actually power it off now if you like.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take a quick couple pictures around the car and we'll be all set.
Yeah, I got no. Alright guys, so as you can see, they don't like filming around here. But they pretty much told me they're gonna put it all in the system. He got my VIN, he got the miles, and we're gonna get an offer, hopefully. So, alright guys, so they got the offer for me here. We're not allowed to film, so my man is sitting right across from me with the offer, and we gotta take our guesses. You wanna take a guess?
Take a guess.
I think it's gonna be really low, but
42.
42.
Ooh, that's a high guess. I say 20.
But he doesn't know that everything I've done to it. Like that car used to not look like that. I did the wide body, because that's an OEM Demon wide body, and it used to not look like that. Here, I'll show you what it used to look like.
It used to,
Do they know it's a sound?
Yeah, they know. Yeah, so it came a long way, and it definitely looks a lot different, but what's your guess, David?
I say 20K.
20K? I'm gonna say like 26.
Yeah. All right.
24.
24? All right, let's see. 22,000.
I'm the closest, so I get to keep it, right?
Oh my goodness, yeah, you get to keep it. That's awful.
All right, I'll take you to Wells Fargo.
If I was you and I was like, yeah, I'll do this, I would be like, I want to buy this right now if I was you. Jeez, that's so bad.
That is bad.
That's absolutely awful. That's embarrassing. At least they gave me an offer though.
Not very strong an offer, but
that'd be one hell of a car for 22 grand, I'll tell you that.
Oh wow.
If you bought that for 22 grand, that's crazy.
What does it cost to do all the mods?
A lot.
I know,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Well, I figured it'd be low, but I appreciate your time, and I guess better luck next time. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're back at the house, and that is a freaking wrap. We got our appraisal. What do you guys think? You guys think it was undervalued? I mean, obviously it's undervalued. I brought it in there with no hood. It is what it is. I know what it's worth to me. But yeah, that was kind of a fun video. Shout out to the homeless guy. You definitely made the video kind of crazy, but stay tuned for the future. We got a new hood coming. As you guys can see, you know, I'm not gonna rock no hood for too long. But yeah, I got some future plans, and also my truck is gonna be done very, very soon. My truck's gonna be done probably next week. I'm gonna be picking it up. So stay tuned for that, because you know, we're doing a crazy lift, 13 inches on 26 16s. It's gonna be sick. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, and peace.